Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in entertainment sentiment, scoring plus 0.20 with a momentum of plus 0.56 over the last 24 hours. This uptick is particularly striking compared to the historical baseline, suggesting a significant shift in audience engagement. With 20 semantic clusters identified, you can dive deeper into the nuances driving this sentiment. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including the score and momentum, along with insights into the thematic clusters at play. This means you can pinpoint exactly what aspects of recent entertainment trends are resonating with your audience. Imagine building an application that dynamically adjusts content recommendations based on this sentiment data, enhancing user engagement like never before. For more details, check out pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of the data together.